My name's Emilio and I'm from Agri Parts UK Limited. We sell tractor parts and accessories and we're based on a small farm in mid Wales. I was born with a congenital heart condition. I had a total of 4 open heart surgeries. I actually recently had another operation actually in August, but that was only a minor one. Started applying for jobs, but then I soon realised I couldn't commit due to these health complications. I started to plan my own business. It's always been something that I've wanted to do. I've always wanted to be my own boss, and I thought this was the perfect time to start. We sell tractor parts and accessories. This is everything from the old vintage tractors, so we attract a lot of vintage tractor enthusiasts. It's quite a niche market, so not all platforms attract buyers which would want these sort of items. So for us, eBay is the perfect place. I remember the first thing I sold on eBay was a pair of rear lights for a Massey Ferguson 290 tractor. Yeah, I remember the day it sold and the notification coming through to my phone and being really excited. It's a perfect platform to start a business. It allows you to really access a large proportion of your target market with relatively small investment and minimal setup costs. We sell internationally and we actually sell through eBay's global shipping program. It's made a massive difference to our international sales. It's extremely competitive, so we try and do real high quality photos. So we take all our own photos here on the farm and we take pride in having quality images. If I look back 5 years ago, I probably can never imagine the position I'm in now. None of it really would have been possible without eBay. It's allowed us to create a business based here in a rural location, has brought jobs and wealth where previously opportunity and work was quite sparse.
Keep updated on awards news as well as tips to grow your business. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.